In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "this phone number cannot be used by iMessage and FaceTime" issue on iOS 18 devices. This process is straightforward and should only take you about 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. First and foremost, let's start by checking your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for both iMessage and FaceTime to function properly. So make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular network. If your connection seems spotty, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes toggling between these two can resolve connectivity hiccups and help your device establish a better connection. Next up, let's make sure your iPhone is running on the latest version of iOS. Apple frequently releases updates that fix bugs and improve the performance of their devices. To check for updates, head over to Settings, then tap on General and navigate to Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Keeping your iOS updated is one of the simplest ways to ensure all apps run smoothly. If updating doesn't seem to solve the problem, the next step is to reset both iMessage and FaceTime. For iMessage, open Settings, go to Apps and select Messages. Here you'll want to toggle iMessage off. Wait a moment, then toggle it back on. For FaceTime, the process is quite similar. Go to Settings, select Apps, then choose FaceTime and toggle it off. Pause for a few seconds before toggling it back on. This can often refresh the apps and resolve activation issues. If iMessage and FaceTime still aren't cooperating, it might be a good idea to reset your network settings. You can do this by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. However, please be aware that this will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you might want to have them handy to reconnect your devices afterward. Additionally, simply restarting your device can be surprisingly effective. A quick restart can resolve temporary glitches and minor software hiccups that might be affecting iMessage and FaceTime. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and the issue persists, it's time to reach out for professional help. Contact Apple support or your carrier to inquire about any account-related issues or number blocking that could be causing the problem. They can offer further assistance and solutions tailored to your situation. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide. By following these instructions, you should be able to resolve the issue and get back to using iMessage and FaceTime without any interruptions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.